Hello, people. This is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. We will be talking about today how to get him to text you first. 10 tips to make him text you first. So, if you like the video related to manifestation power, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So, here we begin. Let's go. How to get him to text you first. Sometimes dating can get so much frustrating as there are so many rules involved. A guy has to text you first, you have to text him first. You can't text him at night, you should not be sending multiple texts and so on. But all this changes once you learn how to get a guy to text you first. Now, how to make him text you first? The hard truth is that some guys don't care to text you first or they try to play hard to get. And if he is not texting you first, no matter what you do, well, he may be not even interested in you in the first place. So you should only invest your energy on a guy who is actually into you. If he is trying to connect with you, then you will know that he really likes you. However, there could be many reasons why he could be waiting for you to text him first. Some guys love to text while others hate it. If a guy is interested in you and you want to make him text you first, let me give you a few tips that can help you. Don't be always available. Get a life if you don't have one. If you're always available to him, then there are less chances that he will text you first. Also, if you dedicate all your time to him and text him all the time, then he will think you will do it all the time. So stop being free for him all the time. That doesn't mean that you have to avoid him or anything. Get busy with your own life. When he starts missing you, he will text you. Give him a reason. Why would anyone text anybody without a reason? Weak texts are not interested or interesting in a relationship and won't work for a long time. So try to come up with a reason that he can use to text you. One good tip is to share something online that he's interested in. This will get his interest and he might probably be eager to talk to you about it. Find out if he likes texting. As I said earlier, some guys don't like to text, as such guys like to talk in person and not spend hours in front of a phone. He might text you once in a while, but if he is not into texting, that he might less likely text you first. If he always keep his text short or insists in talking in person, it is a sign that he does not like to text. If you have found such a guy, then there is nothing much that you can do. What you can do is remind yourself about this fact and also remind him once in a while to text you whenever he is free. Telling him to text you might also help in some cases. Don't text him. If you are trying to learn how to make a guy text you first, then the first thing you need to do is to make him miss you. And to achieve that, you have to stop texting him. You can also stop texting him when a conversation starts to get interesting. The point here is to make him talk to you more, so leave him wanting for more. Have fun with him. Do you like being with a guy who is fun to be around with? I know you said yes. Similarly, even guy likes to be around a girl who is fun to be with. So enjoy whenever you are with him, and this will make him want you more. So whenever you are with him, have lots of fun, crack jokes, tease him, flirt with him, and enjoy. The moment you leave him, he will start missing you and will immediately text you. Now make him remember you. Whenever you meet him, you should give him such an impression that he will remember you even after he gets home. If you want him to text you first, he should be thinking of you throughout the day. You can do his by having a good sense of humor, joking with him, laughing at him, jokes, and even having positive vibes whenever you are with him. When he has lots of fun with you, he will remember you more. Now meet his friends. If you still have not met his friends, then tell him that you would love to meet his friends. Nowadays, guys are bringing their girl around their friends to check if his girl fits in or not. The more you fit in and get along with his friends, the more he will like you and text you more. Even his friends will give him a thumbs up to hang out with you. So let him know. Sometimes guy won't be aware of what they are doing and they forget to text you, as I said earlier. If you're always texting him first, he will not make the effort to text you since he knows that he will get a text from you. Just ask him directly why he is not texting you. Tell him how much you love getting a text from him. Even though you love texting him, you don't really know when he will be busy, or if you could be disturbing him, he might realize his mistake and correct it. Now tell him to text you when he gets free. This might be kind of annoying to keep telling him, but do it anyways. This can be also a good way to make a guy text you first. Just tell him to text you when he gets free, as you have something to talk with him. Just make sure that you actually have something to talk to him. This works really well since it will keep him wondering what you actually have to tell. Now accept the fact. If you have done everything to get him to text you first, but he is still not doing it, then either he is not into texting or he is not interested in you. As if he is not interested in you, just have to accept the fact and stop texting him. It may not make him text you first, but if he's not really interested in you, then you may never get to hear from him again. If you have anything more to add on how to get a guy to text you first, share with us in the comments below. So that's all about the manifestation in this video. I hope you all liked it. So that's all. We will definitely meet in the next video with my another content. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the notifications. So that's all. Bye bye. Take care. Take care of your health. Goodbye and take care.